What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you some of the simple, easy recipes that I have been eating or just snacking on throughout my weight loss journey. If you want to see how I make these two quick and easy meals and snacks, just keep on watching. So for the first one, I will be using some minute brown rice. Sometimes I also will use the jasmine rice as well, but what I do is just take off the film, put it in the microwave for 1 minute. That's it, quick and easy. You can also cook your rice as well, but for me, I like the quick and easy convenience of it. After the rice is done for a minute, I like to just pour it inside of my bowl, and as you see, this container can be hot, so please be careful if you decide to use these. I like to add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt to my rice and some black pepper before I add on anything else. Next, I like to add in some fire roasted diced tomatoes. I actually pour a can inside of this bowl, and that can usually last me for about 4 to 5 bowls, but I just add in probably about half a cup onto the rice. Next, I like to add some broccoli. This right here is just chopped broccoli, but I usually like to use the baby florets. And I just add maybe half a cup to a cup on top of the rice as well. And last but not least, I like to add half of an avocado on top. After I add in all the ingredients, I just mix everything up together. Just like that, a simple meal, so delicious. This is my absolute favorite right now, you guys. I make it every single day. So the next thing that I will be making can be either a snack or a meal. I usually like to eat it as a snack, but sometimes I eat it as a meal as well. But you can use white potatoes or yellow potatoes, but today I'm going to be using red potatoes, but these are the mini red potatoes. What I like to do is just take them out the bag. I take about 6 to 7 out, and then I give it a good rinse, or kind of wash them off and pat them dry so that I can get ready to cut them in half. After I finish patting the potatoes dry, what I like to do is just cut them in half, or sometimes I cut them in thirds. now on these are just pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and oregano. I used to use garlic powder, onion powder, but I kind of reduced that now. So I'm just using these 4 ingredients, which does really good for me. But you can add in, like I said, garlic powder or onion powder. You can also add some olive oil if you would like, or some grapeseed oil, or even some avocado oil. It's your preference. You can dress this thing up any kind of way you like. Now I'm just going to toss it around just to make sure all of the seasoning is coated all over the potatoes. Now that I have coated all of my potatoes with the seasoning, what I like to do is put mine in the air fryer. You can also put them in the oven if you would like, but I like to put them in the air fryer, and I usually let them air fry for about 7 to 8 minutes. Like that, it is done. Quick and easy, only took about 7 to 8 minutes. You can also use ketchup as your dipping sauce, or whatever sauce you would like. For me, sometimes I just eat it just like it is. I add no sauce. But you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.